Let's go, baby. Let's go, man. Let's go. We live in direct market Mondays. Market Mondays. Let me know if you can hear me good, man, because tonight I just been feeling real good, man. We know we've been in the bear market. You can tell by I ain't got no haircut or nothing, but hey, we just getting started in this upcoming bull market. I know it's exciting. I know I can't be the only one excited right now. We seeing prices go up. We seeing Bitcoin hit 56K. I'm not even sure what it is right now. I don't know what the price of Bitcoin is right now, guys. I don't even know. I know it just passed 56,000 though. A lot of more money coming into these ETFs, and I think I always say, if you watch any of my videos, you know I say the ETF was just, the first catalyst, like the first bullish catalyst of this upcoming bull market. You know what I'm saying? So we know we got the Bitcoin ETF that was just recently passed, more money flooding into that, institutional money flooding into that, and we got the Bitcoin happening in April. There's some two bullish things, man, that's going on in the crypto space, and a lot of people don't realize that. Like, in the previous cycles, we saw how the bull market came right after the halving. If you just tuned in, appreciate y'all for tuning in, man. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button too, and turn on those notifications, because I'm gonna continue to bring these, because the bull market here, guys. So I gotta bring the heat, man. I gotta turn it up a notch. You know what I'm saying? I've been turning it up a little bit, but now I gotta take it. We was here first, y'all. We was like right here first. Now I'm going all the way up here now, because the bull market banging. I'm super excited for it. But like I was saying though, we saw, if you haven't experienced previous bull markets, we know after the Bitcoin having it, prices usually start trickling down into the altcoins, man. So that's what I'm really excited about. Yes, I hold some Bitcoin, of course I hold Bitcoin, just not a large amount. I will eventually, rotate my current profits, or my profits from the bull market, into Bitcoin. But altcoins, I ain't gonna lie, I'm a degenerate. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm very much so a degenerate. So I gotta rotate I gotta stick in the altcoins right now, because the altcoins gonna make you rich faster than Bitcoin will make you rich. In my personal opinion, if you not rich already, and I'm not rich, you can tell by my blinds, man. I still haven't. I'm out here thugging y'all, but it's okay though, because once this bull market hit, guys, I'm telling you, we going crazy, man. But we're gonna get into some good stuff. Like I said, we just started now. This is Market Mondays. Crypto bull market just started. The demand shock is coming in like crazy. All of these ETFs getting passed, and we're gonna talk about that. We're gonna look at coin market cap, all that good stuff tonight, man. How y'all feeling on this beautiful Monday? It is a very, I don't never just get, what I'm saying, too much depth into it. Like I said, this is my first market Monday, so I'm gonna continue to bring these. Let me know how y'all feeling. Let me know how y'all like it. Hey, Jeff, he said ETFs legitimize Bitcoin for the big institutions. Facts, Jeff, that is right. The ETF has pretty much made Bitcoin legitimate, man. This is a true asset class. A lot of people, try to throw salt on crypto. A lot of people hate on crypto. A lot of people say, man, they're just trading shit coins, or whatever the case may be. And that's true. We are degenerates at heart, but at the end of the day, crypto is a legitimate asset class. Bitcoin, of course, is separate from crypto. I don't even put Bitcoin with crypto, because Bitcoin is digital gold. We all should know that. But I think it's more projects, that are legitimate, such as Bitcoin. I think some of the altcoins are legitimate as well. Now, 90% of them are shit coins, of course. 90% of them aren't going, to be around 10 years from now. We understand it, I mean, some people understand it. Some people are bag holders, some people are, stuck kind of in their ways as far as with specific coins. But I think that's the main difference between, the regular everyday crypto person and somebody who came from traditional finance, because traditional finance, they don't understand the crypto world, man. Traditional finance people, I hate when traditional finance people come into the crypto space because they really don't understand how community really works in the crypto space. They're used to, if one person sells, then everybody's selling. We've seen projects go down 90%, guys, and rebound from 90%. You know what I'm saying? And that's not like any other asset class. And that's why I'm so bullish on crypto, because it brings a community in. It really is so much different from any asset class, real estate, stocks, bonds, whatever the case may be. It's so different from that. Very bullish, man. We very bullish right now. He said, I'm gonna pull up on my super scooter. Hey, me too. I'm gonna pull up on something. We pulling up new whips, new everything, man. I'm telling you, this next cycle is gonna go crazy, man. So I'm gonna get into video tonight. I don't want to keep you guys up too much longer. You know, so I just had to pop it one time, you know, just talk a little bit because it's super exciting, man, to see all these crypto projects just absolutely taking off. Not just Bitcoin, but a lot of crypto projects are doing what they need to do right now. So let me see. We're gonna share this one time. Let's get into it, baby. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it, man. Let's talk about it. So we can see, man, right now, as we speak, the market cap for the entire crypto space is at $2.13 trillion, man. Trillion dollars. That's crazy. You know what I'm saying? We above $1 trillion again. That's what we've been waiting on. We've been waiting to get above that number 2, man. So we at $2.13 trillion. That's up 13% in the past 24 hours. So price has been going crazy, absolutely nuts. And it's beautiful to see it because a lot of people stopped in the bear market. You know what I'm saying? And there's still a lot of people who still on the sideline right now. And I don't truly understand why they on the sideline, but that's cool. We're going to let them do what they do. And we're going to let them stay on the sideline because we're going to have our bags packed right now, man. My bag is, we're in a Duffy right now. You know what I'm saying? We really got our bags packed and really ready for that upcoming bull market just because we know what's in store. Like we seen it. If you've been around, you've seen it. A lot of people, you know, they come around, they grift, they, you know, get in crypto when it's hot, and when it's not, they nowhere to be found. But wait till we get back into that full-on bull market. We're gonna see all these influencers, all these YouTubers, everybody just coming back saying, yeah, I told you so. No, Troll was right around the you know what I'm saying, the bottoms of this, man. We was in the pits. We was in the real deal pits of hell with the crypto market. I ain't gonna lie to you. And it never was a moment where I was like, nah, I'm straight on it. You know what I'm saying? I rode their wave, and now we coming back up. But we can see the past 24-hour volume is at $98 billion, guys, up 89%. So 24-hour volume been pumping like crazy. We love to see that. The fear and greed index is 76 out of 100. 76 out of 100. So people are becoming more greedy right now in the crypto space. And that can be a good thing and a bad thing, just depending on, you know, how you looking at it. You know what I'm saying? Because when people are greedy, you kind of want to be sidelined, but at the same time, that can't be the only indicator you're looking at, just because people can be greedy all the way up. You know what I'm saying? It can go to 90 or it can start at 76, and you know you trying to judge the indicator, but price is still going up. And by the time you look up, the fear and greed index at 95 out of 100, then you know it's super late. You know what I'm saying? So really, I just been telling people, man, of course, don't buy the highs. Don't FOMO into the project, because we know, if you know, it's going to be some type of correction in the market, man. That's just every market. Every market is going to have some type of correction. We got to understand that. So, of course, I won't say buy the local highs, but, you know, if it dip a little bit, you might want to go in the bag. You know, if you got liquidity on the sideline, go put some money into whatever crypto project you're investing in. And I'm not necessarily telling you what to invest in, because if you watch my channel, you know what I invest in. But we can see, of course, Bitcoin is number one, up 9% in the past week, and the volume is being pumped on Bitcoin. Of course, ETH is up 7 or 11% rather this past week. Tether is even up. Of course, that's a stable coin. You know, BNB. So BNB is up, man. In the past week, BNB is up 13%, and that's good to see. We know CZ going through his things right now. We truly don't know how much time he's going to get. They're trying to sentence him in the U.S. They're trying to stop crypto innovation in the U.S. But I think CZ gonna hold his own, man. He gonna hold his weight down. He gonna take his time, you know, like a champ or whatever. Hopefully they don't give him too much. They can't sit my boy down for too long, but BNB is up 13%, man. 13% right now for BNB. Then we got Solana. Solana been pumping like crazy, even though it's only up 1%. Let's just click on Solana, man. Solana has been going absolutely nuts in this bull market. Well, it's not even in a bull. I don't want to even say bull market, but Solana was the sleeper, bro. But everybody on Twitter, y'all know, like everybody been talking about Solana. Everybody kind of knew what Solana was gonna do. But you know, once that FTX stuff happened, a lot of people were saying Sam Bankman Fried, free, whatever you want to call it, man. They were saying he was holding a lot of Sol, but at the end of the day, man, we know Sol is probably one of the fastest blockchains, and it got it got so many projects on Sol. Sol is absolutely pumping right now. Just this past year is up 385%. Now there we go all time. We can see all time it's been killing the game. Absolutely. It started off less than $1, man, and it's at $111. So if you would have got in 2020 and really just, you know, played your cards right, you still will be in profit. And that's why I love the crypto space. And I always tell people, man, dollar cost average, man. Dollar cost averaging is probably your best friend in the crypto space, because you never know when a project's gonna take off. Now, if a project stops innovating, of course, I'm not telling you just be a bag holder and the project dead and nobody not talking about it, no community behind it, the project not give you updates on what they doing and stuff like that. Of course, you might want to just move on to something new. But at the end of the day, once these bull markets absolutely come like full on, we're gonna see so many people FOMO into every type of crypto project, man. And that's been in previous cycles. We've seen dead projects come back to life because it's just the bull market and people just want to get gains anywhere. That's why I always tell people, don't be too quick to rotate. You know what I'm saying? Now, I'm not telling you just to hold bags and, you know, sell it fast or whatever, but don't be too quick to rotate your bags, especially if you've been building and compounding and dollar cost averaging into a specific project. Don't be too fast to sell your bags, man, just because one time I seen it myself. I seen it in person. I seen it happen to me. It was one project that I was rotating in. This project was pretty much dead. It wasn't really dead. I just was impatient. It was the bull market, and every project has their own time. So it was the bull market. I'm in this one project, right, guys? I'm, you know, dollar cost averaging, just really compounded. Boom. So it's not moving nowhere. It's moving like 1 to 2%. I'm seeing all these other projects go up 100% a week, 200%, 1,000 in a month. So I'm like, man, I'm missing out on these gains. So I end up rotating. This when I was a noob, right? So I end up rotating to another project that kind of was appreciated. It appreciated 100%, right? So boom, it appreciated 100%. Rotated into it right at the top. Guess what they did? I was exit liquidity. And guess what that other project did? What I rotated from? It went up 200%, man. So that's why I always say, if you want to create another bag, maybe start off small in another bag, because it don't take too much money to make money in the crypto space. We've seen people turn $100 into, you know, thousands of dollars, $1,000 to 10,000, 10,000 to a million, whatever the case may be. But if you want to get into another project, you always want to, you know, start out small and just maybe build another bag completely separate from, you know, that bag you already been accumulating. That's not financial advice. That's just Tro telling you, you know, from my personal experience, my opinion. Now, I know everybody got different opinion. You know, if you want to do that, you can do that. Like I said, it's up to you guys. It's up to you. It's your world. I'm just living in it, baby. But enough of that. Let's just look. I'm just surprised, man. We even I about to say XRP even though, but XRP not up, man. But it's cool though, because every dog has his day. You know what I'm saying? XRP might even shoot up. You know, I do believe XRP, you will go up in the bull market. I believe all of these projects will go up in the bull market. Just being real, I'm not going to say like by how much, but I believe every project will see some appreciation. Now, if you know you've been watching my channel, you know I love AVAX, man. AVAX is probably one of my favorite blockchains. I'm not going to lie to y'all. AVAX is probably one of my favorite blockchains out just because of what they're doing. We see institutional investors. I'm talking about, JP Morgan, cities. You know what I'm saying? Cities, all of that, man, are pretty much building subnets on the Avalanche blockchain, and they're going to be able to operate. So once traditional money come onto these subnets, that's going to be big. And then not only that, with AVAX, we know gaming is huge, guys. I already know Germ Curry, yeah, with the next Doge, yeah, I ain't gonna lie. Wilf been going crazy, bro. Wilf up like what 50% on a day, or like 60%. I looked last time I looked at the chart, it was like 60%. Wilf been going crazy. Of course, we gotta give Jewel a shout out. AVAX, Jewel, our DeFi Kingdoms, baby, DeFi Kingdoms. I believe that's still a sleeper. Like, that's one of my favorite crypto projects. I know a lot of people like to take dumps on Jewel, but I'm telling you what, mark my words, Cho said it, y'all. DeFi Kingdoms is going to be a sleeper in the upcoming bull market, man. And I really wanted to stay at price where it's at right now because I'm really just compounding my bag. So I ain't even been shilling DeFi Kingdoms like that for real. But I'm telling you, Jewel is going to absolutely take off in the upcoming bull market. But AVAX, like I was saying, I was telling everybody, man, if you watch my channel, like I said, I was in AVAX at $8. You know what I'm saying? In October of 2023, AVAX was at $8 and some change. And I was keep making videos about it. If you go back, you can check my stats, like for real, like I was making videos at $8, man. A lot of people were like, Tro, you talking about AVAX, like it's not doing nothing. And a lot of people get so bearish so fast. Like, I don't be understanding that, because if we go to traditional markets, if we go to stock markets, people wait years. I'm talking about more than 1 year, more than 2 years, more than 3 years. They wait years to see 100%. We wait weeks and months and maybe 1 year, but in the crypto space, you're gonna easily see 100%. So I don't understand why people, I think crypto has really spoiled us, man. When it comes to investing, crypto has really spoiled us to the point where a lot of people are so impatient. Instead of keeping their head down, stacking the bag up, they so ready for it to take off, and they'll end up selling too early, and then they'll be mad when it take off. So like I said, AVAX was an easy buy at $8, and I was saying it like in November, not even November, in September, actually in October, I was saying AVAX, making videos on pun videos, and the real OGs who've been watching the channel, y'all know I've been saying it. So it's so many projects like that, though. So many projects that are sleepers. We even got Dogecoin up. Tron is up. So many bullish narratives, man. So many bullish narratives. And something else that's bullish, man. $160 million worth of Bitcoin shorts got liquidated in the past 24 hours. So I have no idea why people are shorting Bitcoin right now. Especially it don't really make sense to me to be shorting, Bitcoin at this moment, just because of all the bullish narratives that's coming along with it. Like I said earlier, the Bitcoin ETF, we got the Bitcoin ETF recently got passed. And you don't think once the ETF got passed, you don't think all of these traditional investors, all these people with no loan money, I'm talking about managing trillions of dollars, you don't think now, since it's legit, they not trying to get a piece of the pie? Look, they looking to make 10%. So if they can make, 10% or above, or 20%, if they can make, like 30, 100%, you don't think they trying to get into that? That's crazy. That's crazy. Shout out to Haven Pick. He said, nice to meet you. It's my first live. Hey, shout out to you, man. Shout out to Haven Pick. Shout out to tuning in. Like I said, this is my first live too. This is my first Market Monday. So shout out to you. Just coming on to like, hey, I really appreciate that, man. I really appreciate you tuning in with the kid. Like I said, we just doing it market Mondays because the market is about to take off, man. I had to bring it on every Monday. I'm coming strong just like this each and every time. Jeffrey Lee only got Crow, man. I need some hope for this coin. Jeffrey Lee, Crow gonna go up too. Crow will have his day, Jeffrey. Crow will have his day, Jeffrey. I'm telling you right now, Crow will have his day. But if you just look back, that's why I say be patient, man. You gotta be patient, Jeffrey. Don't sell the bags too early. Now, if you gotta do what you gotta do, and you gotta do what you gotta do. I'm not telling you just to hold it. If you can't lose it, then I would say, take it out the market and do what you gotta do with it. But at the end of the day, Crow was one of the last projects to take off in the last bull market. You know what I'm saying? Let me go to Crow real quick. Let me just go to Crow, guys, because like a lot of people don't realize even Crow, we up 10%. We up 10% in the past day. So it's not bad when you look at comparing it to traditional markets, like not in the past day, but in the past 24 hours rather. So like I said, Crow is looking good to me. And like I said, also you also want to zoom out, because if you zoom out, we up 401%. So it started off at 1 cent in 2019. If you've been dollar cost averaging, you probably haven't, because that's a ways ago. You have to be a real OG to be back in 2019. But we at 9 cents now. And Crow was one of the last ones to take off the last bull market. Like, it ain't reached all-time highs until after they announced, the crypto.com arena and all of that good stuff. But that was fluff. That was cool and cute or whatnot. And that did raise the price. But you saw like we started shifting from that bull market at the end of 2021. So 2022, the first couple of months, we was like, okay, the price was kind of going down. Then after that, by that summer, we started seeing like a whole total shift. Like, it just got so bearish on the crypto space. And Crow got caught up into that, I believe. Like, it caught wind the last minute of the bull market. So I think it's still super early, man. Even if Crow is your only holding, I hold Crow myself. It's not my only holding. I still diversify, of course, but I do believe Crow will take off in the upcoming bull market because it's some bullish narratives for Crow as well. Let me talk about them real quick. I'm not going to use too much time on Crow because it's just the market Monday in general. But some of the bullish things on Crow, we got the subnet, not I keep saying that's AVAX, but we got the layer 2 solution, the ZK EVM solution coming out for Crow. So if you holding Crow, you have potential to get some airdrops too. You know what I'm saying? You got some potential to get some airdrops when the ZK EVM layer 2 solution comes out for the Chronos blockchain. That's supposed to come out, I think, June of 2024. So around that time. But if you holding Crow on the POS chain, you got some Crow, I would say diversify as far as POS chain and things like that, then you should be good. But Jeffrey Lee, I stream, like I said, this market Mondays right now. Usually I start off at 9:30 on Monday. So tune in, man. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and make sure you tell a friend to tell a friend. But like I said, I think Crow will have his day as well. So a lot of things going on in the bull market, a lot of things going on in the crypto space. So I'm on Motley Fool, and they said everything is up in crypto, and it's up big. So cryptocurrencies rallied sharply on Mondays as investors jump back into the market. Bitcoin traded over 53,000. It's at 56,000 now for the first time, y'all. First time since 2021. That's why I told you the crash came in November 2021. And now we going back up to the top. You know what I'm saying? Like, we really about to take off, y'all. I don't think y'all understand. Like, I think a lot of people think it's a game. A lot of people not understanding where cryptos can go. But the first time since 2021, and that's pulling the entire market even higher. So I just looked at prices and all of that. So ETH up, ETH get an upgrade. So miners are shining. Coinbase is going up. Now, Coinbase was also a good stock buy. I'm not gonna lie to you. I've been buying Coinbase stock as well, because I do believe the future of Coinbase as an institutional holder or hodler for, you know, all these different institutions who get into the crypto space. Coinbase been around, you know, they got, you know, Wall Street people around them and things like that. It's a public company. So I believe, you know, all the institutions gonna go to Coinbase to be custodian or custody or have custody. I just got tongue tied. Custody over their cryptos and Bitcoin and things like that. So Coinbase is a nice stock to also hold. It's not financial advice either. That's just my personal opinion, my personal take on things. But Coinbase gonna do what they need to do. I ain't gonna lie to you. Like, this Coinbase gonna do what they need to do for sure. But some other bullish news, man, like I was saying, with everything, the Bitcoin ETF trading volume surpasses $3.24 billion today. So we know BlackRock is coming in super strong with $1.3 billion in the ETF trading volume. So we know what's going on. We just sit back, relaxing, and we seeing big money do it. You know, if big money doing it, why are we not doing the same thing? Now, I'm not telling people to buy no ETF. I would have self-custody of my own Bitcoin, of course. But if you know, if you somebody who, you know, is not familiar with having custody of your own crypto or your own assets, then, you know, you can go the ETF route. But I think this is just bullish for crypto in general, or Bitcoin rather in general, just because it solidifies us in the space as a legit asset class. And that's what we wanted to be seen as, man. We want to be seen as, you know, people can come into this market and really make some money with cryptocurrency, and it's legit, and they actually provide utility, not just trading coins with no utility or no real world purpose, but, you know, having all these different types of purposes in the world. And I think that's going to be very, very big for the crypto space once, you know, the Bitcoin ETF takes off. Once we have the Bitcoin halving and things like that, that's going to be huge, man. I'm telling you right now, that's going to, you know, change the way a lot of people not only view, because they already changed the way how people view Bitcoin, but it's going to change the way how people view cryptocurrencies. So that's something very, very big. Now, let me see where I was at with it. Also, now we know, hey, whenever Michael Saylor buying Bitcoin, we know what's going on. You know what I'm saying? Michael Saylor is in his bag with Bitcoin, y'all. So MicroStrategy buys another 3,000 Bitcoin. The total holdings now worth about $10.3 billion. That's $10.3 billion, man. CNBC crypto world. So we starting to see all these big money people. You know, Michael Saylor been a Bitcoin bull, but they are buying even more. And he said, guess what he said when he's selling? He said he never selling. He's never selling, guys. And when somebody say that, when somebody who's one of the richest people in the world say that, you gotta like take heed sometimes. Sometimes you gotta be like, okay, if he doing it, he gotta know what he's doing, because there's a reason why he one of the richest people in the world, and he buying Bitcoin. Okay, I see what he's doing right there. That's how I think. I follow big money. If big money doing it, it gotta be something going on behind it. And when we see, even when it was at the bottom, Michael Saylor was buying Bitcoin like crazy. He was buying it with loans. He was buying Bitcoin with loans. And I'm not saying, you know, buy Bitcoin with loans or nothing, but that's what he was doing. So let's check out this video real quick. I ain't gonna, you know, we ain't gonna do too much. Check out, hey, it's a crypto.com out right there. I'm telling you, bro, the signs is aligning. The sign, the crypto gods have reached us. They reached down upon. They say, okay, everything lining up. But like I said, crypto.com, they're out. Hey, I'm telling you, crypto.com got the best marketing in the crypto space. I don't care what nobody say. But let's get to this video.
Today, Bitcoin's back above $53,000. MicroStrategy buys another 3,000 Bitcoin, bringing the company's total holdings to more than $10 billion. And Anthony Georgiades, the co-founder of Pastel, breaks down VC trends in crypto. Welcome to CNBC's Crypto World. I'm Jordan Smith. Crypto prices in the green to kick off the week, with Bitcoin bouncing back above $53,000. As of noon Eastern, Bitcoin climbed nearly 4% to $53,400. Ether held above $3,000, rising 3.75%, and Cardano soared more than 5%. All right, let's talk about the top stories. MicroStrategy purchased another 3,000 Bitcoin tokens for $155 million. The company's executive chairman, Michael Saylor, made the announcement on X today, writing that the Bitcoin was purchased at an average price of around $51,800. He also said that as of yesterday, MicroStrategy, which is the largest corporate owner of Bitcoin, holds 193,000 coins, which was acquired for about $6 billion at an average price of around $31,500 per Bitcoin. Those holdings are now worth more than $10.3 billion. As of noon Eastern, MicroStrategy shares traded higher by nearly 14%. Meantime, blockchain security company PeckShield is warning that MicroStrategy's X account had been compromised. In an apparent phishing exploit, the attacker put a now-deleted post on the company's X page that promoted a new coin. Those who clicked on it were directed to another website. Crypto sleuth Zach XBT said on X that the hacker was able to steal about $440,000 from the compromise. We reached out to MicroStrategy but didn't hear back right away. Next, crypto exchange Bitforex seems to have gone offline. The Hong Kong-based crypto exchange's website appears to be inactive, and when trying to access the site, a notice comes up saying, "Sorry, you have been blocked." This comes after about $57 million was reportedly withdrawn from Bitforex's hot wallets on Friday. Zach XBT posted on X this morning that the withdrawals have stopped processing, and the Bitforex team has been unresponsive to user requests on X and Telegram. The official Bitforex account did not post anything about the situation. In January, the former Bitforex CEO said he was...
All right, so I didn't want to get out to all of that. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Zach SBT, be exposing all the crypto people or whatever. But like I said, big money going into the crypto space, man. The big money is going into the crypto space, and we are starting to see everything that we waited for, man. I've been waiting for this for so long. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Like, the bull market is finally here. We finally starting to see, you know, everything come into fruition, like what we was already knowing. Everybody who been in the crypto space, y'all already know what's going on. But hey, we here. You know what I'm saying? We here. Like I said, this is my first Market Monday of the year, and we're gonna continue to bring Market Mondays. Like I said, I'm not gonna hold you guys up too long, but shout out to everybody who stayed around for the stream, man. I appreciate y'all. And it's just so much bullish things going on in the crypto space. Let me know how y'all feel. Let me know. Give me some noise. Give me some comments. Leave some likes. If you're not subscribed already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, because we just getting started in this bull market, and I'm super bullish on everything that's going on. And once we hit, man, we're gonna get rich together, man. I'm not gonna say everybody gonna make it, because then I will be lying if I said everybody gonna make it, y'all. Everybody not gonna make it. But if you dollar cost average, if you find good projects that are actually building utility and has a community, then you will do good in the crypto space. It's not that hard. A lot of people overcomplicate things. A lot of people make it harder than what it is. But all you gotta do is stay down, baby. Stay down, keep working, keep doing research, because there's a lot of research that goes into it, and have conviction in your project, whatever project you're investing in. Don't listen to Twitter. Yeah, of course, it's always good to get outside opinions on things. But don't take it too, take it with a grain of salt. Take all opinions with a grain of salt. If you did your research on a project, then you know about their project. Don't let nobody tell you what their project, you know what I'm saying, if it's going to appreciate or not. Of course, they can have their opinion. Of course, you can listen to it. But at the end of the day, everybody got their opinions, man. We truly don't know what any project is going to do. At the end of the day, we don't know what project is going 100x. Of course, we can have our opinion on our favorite projects or a project that we believe in. And if that project go 100x, of course, we're going to say, yeah, I told you it was going to go 100x. But what if it don't, you know? And most projects don't 100x. But you're going to get some gains if you dollar cost average, especially in a bull market. Everything pretty much go up in a bull market, y'all. Everything goes up in a bull market. I've seen projects, like I said earlier, that were dead that came back to life in the bull market. So be patient, guys. Be patient. We here, you know what I'm saying? We almost at that top, but we not close to the top. It's like we so far but so close. And now is probably one of the best times to get into the crypto space, dollar cost average, and really make your money right now, guys. So crypto troll, that's my video. Shout out to everybody that tuned in, man. It's the first market Monday, and I ain't really expect it to be, you know, this many people in. So y'all really came out and showed out, man. Market Mondays, hey, I gotta keep doing these because it's gonna get bigger and bigger. Right now, you know, it's 18 people, and I love every, you know, 18 people in the whole live, man. It's crazy. I didn't even think it was gonna be this many people. But shout out to y'all. Like I said, this was just spirit of moment. I just actually even, you know, decided to do this. Like I was just working. I was like, let me go live and just, no, see, check the feeling out, because right now we are seeing prices really rise up like crazy. Like prices is going crazy right now. Hey, appreciate you, Tia Tia Rosa. Thanks for tuning in, man. Thanks, Tro. Looking forward to market money. Hey, shout out to, I appreciate you for tuning in for sure. But like I said, man, it's so I just can't wait, y'all. Like I'm excited. I don't know if y'all is excited as I am. You know what I'm saying? Because like this cycle can be life changing. Last cycle was life changing, but I think this cycle can even be bigger than last cycle because of everything that's going on. So, like I said, I'm not gonna hold you up. It's 10:11 where I'm at. Shout out to everybody. Shout out to all the new viewers. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, share this content with anybody you know who is interested in crypto, because now is the time, y'all. So, Crypto Troll, that's my video. That's my live stream for the night. I'm out of here.